Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So in today's video, I'll be giving you 3 powerful bass lines you can start using, and the last one is going to be very special, so you shouldn't miss the last one, okay? But before we continue the breakdown, if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this lesson to your friend out there, okay? I also do private class lesson. If you are interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you straight to my WhatsApp only, okay? So guys, grab the bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Hey guys, but before we start the breakdown, I have been nominated by the OEA Awards, okay? So I'll really need your support to vote for me. This is the only way to support my ministry, by getting this awards home. So if you want to vote for me, you can use this code, and my code is NT86, okay? There is another easy way you can also vote for me. That is, you see the link down below. Click on the link. It will take you direct to their website. You can vote through PayPal, Visa card, mobile money, okay? So guys, I want you to vote for me, and one vote is 90 pesos, that is in Ghana cedis, and maybe in USD to be like 80 to 90 cents, okay? So guys, I want you to vote for me. You can vote as many as 1, 200, 300,000. So guys, let's continue with the lesson. So as I said earlier, I'll be giving you 3 spacious praise groove, okay? So let's look at the first one. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is the first one. I will be looking at 4 1 5 1. Okay, so there are many songs you can get this progression, then you can apply this bass line to it, okay? So let me break it down step by step for you so that you understand the concept of it, okay? So on your 4, you play that is your 4 6, then back to your 1 1 3. This is the first one. Then your 5, that is your 5 7, okay? Da 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 da. Then back to your 1. You won't play your 1 here. You play it on your octave side. That is your 1 3. You understand? So capture this first one. Okay, so now let's bring in more groove. So now we're bringing in ghost note, okay? So you have 5 6. So you ghost note on that one. That's your E string. 1 3, okay? Now to your 5, and you ghost note there, okay? So that is 5 7, okay? 5 7. I hope you are getting it, okay? So ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. So now to your 1 1. Then I played a very nice groove over here. So that is using your triads on your 1. That is 1 5 3 1. But this was how I made it more groovy. So 1 5 5 3 1. So you pluck your 5 2 times, then 3 1. Okay. Da 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 da. You can also slide to it, okay? So okay, so this is the first one. So halftime, if you have a praise loop over there, try and practice with it. In case you're having a 4 string, you can start from your 4th string and be playing so that you can get this. Okay, so if you want to practice something like this on key C, it's very simple. You understand? Okay, you just need to be fast. So you play your 4, 6, 1, 3. You can even play your 5, 7. Then you slide to your 1, as I taught you earlier. That is da, 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 back to your 4. Do it to the next key. You understand? Okay, so when you're done playing this, you're still on that second string. So don't get confused. Slide back to your 4. Okay. You understand? Don't get confused that you be changing to another string. Okay, so then slide to that your 1 on your key D. Okay. Get the concept of it, then start practicing it. Okay, so let's look at the second bass line. So this one is the second one, and this one also helps a lot in case of the fingering. Okay, so on your 4, that is your 4, 6, 4, 6. Then you will play. So 4, 6, 4, 6. So this is how it works. Pluck on your 4, 6. Pluck on 7. Hammer on 1. Pluck on that 1 2 times. That is the octave. And back to your root. Okay. So when you've done, you do that to your So T. That is your 5, 7. Then back to your 1. Okay. So take it slow. Ghost note, then hit your 7, then 1, your 5, 7, same. Okay, so how to place your finger the best way? Just make it simple. So now your third and your fourth finger is just playing it. That is your 5, 7, then 7, 1, 1, 1. So here you can play it on key C. So now you can combine the first one and the second one. You see? So now let's look at the third one. Okay, so that was the third one, and it is very spicy to use. Okay, okay, so here you need to be very, very steady, sharp, and concentrate on the strings. Okay, and also the notes. Okay, so starting from your 4, it is root and octave. So your 4, then ghost note, 4, 4, then 5, 6, 1, then you shake. Okay, so just take it simple. So here you ghost note once. Okay, So when you're done playing, so then you come back to your root. Okay, so that is 1 1, your root octave 1 and your octave. Okay, you understand? Okay, so papa, then now to your 5 root and octave 5 5, then back to your 1. Okay, so it's raining here, so just try and master the 3 together. Master the 3 together. You understand? Play random with it and make sure you capture like 2 or 3 bass lines from this. Master it very well and start using them in the praise song. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.